In this video, we're going to go over how you can search for homes using KVCORE. At northernvahomesforsale.net, you can see the newest KVCORE template with a home search bar at the top, some quick search options, testimonials, and other listings. To begin your search, you can start by typing a city into the bar here. Select what type of homes you're interested in, beds, baths, a minimum pricing, and then a maximum pricing, and then search. While this works great, if you're looking to narrow your search, you can select more options underneath the search bar. Here you'll be able to enter the location, the home type, beds, baths, and pricing, but you'll also be able to choose a home style, square footage, acreage, the year the home was built, if the home is walkable, and many other options. You can choose just listed if the home's a fixer-upper, if it's a new home, if any open houses are available, if it's a 55+ community, pools, waterfront, if it's reduced, foreclosed, if it doesn't have an HOA, if they offer seller financing or other structural options, a master on main, or if they even allow pets. If you're looking for something specific, you can enter a keyword here. As an example, we can look for homes in the Madison High School zone. This home is located in Vienna, so we're going to look for Fairfax County homes. We want to find single-family homes with more than 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We can leave pricing and style blank. We're going to add minimum square feet of 1,500. We want it to be newer than 2,000. And then we also want it to have at least 1 garage. As a keyword, we're going to add Madison High School and search. This has pulled 3 home listings with our criteria above. We can view them as a grid. We can see them as a list with a little more information, or we can look at them on a map. If we go back to the grid view, it's pulled a few more listings. We can sort here by pricing or other options. We're going to choose days on website. We also have some more information over here specific to Fairfax County, and then also some stats for homes in Fairfax County. We're going to select this home here in Vienna. After you look at a few listings, it's going to prompt you to enter your email address. You can continue with Facebook or with Google. This is mainly just so an agent can reach out to you and make sure you're finding what you're really looking for. Not only will logging in allow you to view more listings, it will also allow you to save listings to your account. We're going to take a closer look at this listing and then we'll save it into our new account. You can scroll through photos at the top. We can see the address, the property type, the pricing, more attributes here, a description, and then the main thing that we were looking for were homes in the Madison High School zone. We can see schools here, and this one is listed as Madison High School. There are more features below, amenities, and then also some stats for the community. There's a standard map, and then also a Google Earth map where you can use the arrows to move through the local community. You'll also find similar properties in the area, but if you're specifically looking for schools, you'll want to make sure that these homes are in the same school zone. So if you love this property and you want to save it, you can just select Save. And then if we go back to the top to Saved Properties, here's the home that we just saved. You can delete it from your list, you can add notes, or you can search and look at the listing again. On the right, you can also ask the agent a question. You can sign up for a showing. You can receive email alerts about local homes that may be similar to this property. You can print a flyer about this home. You can share it on social media. You can contact an agent. You can download an app, or you can find the value of your own home before you sell. If we select that option, from here you'll be able to enter your address and get an estimate, and an agent will be in touch with you. If we go back to the home page, the menu at the top will allow you to search for homes. You'll be able to find out how much your home is worth. You can meet your agent, look at their listings, testimonials, and their blog posts, or look at other resources and contact the agent directly. That's how you can search for homes using KVCORE. If you have any questions, please send us an email at support@acefam.com or feel free to contact us from northernvahomesforsale.net. Thanks!